Welcome to our YouTube self-help channel. Today we're going to show you how to clean your dishwasher filter.
Whirlpool's dishwasher filtration system minimizes sound, optimizes water, and conserves energy while providing superior cleaning performance by keeping oversized items and foreign objects along with very fine food particles out of the pump and off your dishware. To maintain peak cleaning performance throughout the life of your dishwasher, the filter will require maintenance. The filtration system consists of two parts, an upper filter assembly and a lower filter. The filters will need to be cleaned when there are visible objects or soils on the upper filter assembly or on your dishes, or when dishes feel gritty to the touch. The wash system can be maintained at peak performance by periodically cleaning the filters. Please refer to the recommended frequency chart in your use and care guide. It's simple and easy to remove and maintain the filters. Turn the upper filter assembly 1/4 turn counterclockwise and lift out. Grasp the lower filter in the circular opening, lift slightly and pull forward to remove. Clean the filters by rinsing them under running water until most soils are removed. If you have hard to remove soils or calcium deposits from hard water, a soft brush may be required. Do not use a wire brush or scouring pads as they may damage the filters. Reinstall the lower filter by placing it under the locating tabs in the bottom of the dishwasher so the circular opening for the upper filter assembly lines up with the round opening in the tub. Insert the upper filter assembly into the circular opening in the lower filter. Slowly turn the upper filter assembly clockwise until it drops into place. Press down and continue to rotate the filter until it locks into place. The upper filter assembly arrow does not have to align with the arrow on the lower filter as long as the filter is locked. If the upper filter assembly turns freely, then it is not locked into place. Continue to turn clockwise until it drops and locks into place. Important note: to avoid damage to your dishwasher, do not operate without filters properly installed.
We'll see you next week with more helpful tips on how your appliance works and maintenance ideas to extend the life of your product.